esplorando una delle gemme nascoste di Venezia.
So, I'm walking in the center of Venice and I see a beautiful old building called Teatro Italia. Sorry, my Italian pronunciation sucks. And when I get inside, something's not quite right. This isn't a movie theater. It's a supermarket. And one of Venice's hidden gems at that. To be correct, it was a movie theater. It opened in 1916 and could fit 1,200 moviegoers. The theater closed in 1990 and sat empty for years, but in 2018 it reopened as a Despar supermarket. The restoration and renovation cost more than $2.5 million and kept most of the original decorations. Now you can go to the gourmet counter that used to be a stage, and all along the walls and ceiling are original paintings and designs. Couldn't get up to the balcony, but rumor has it that it will be used as a cultural space. What a great way to preserve a historic landmark. Good job, Venice. Oh, me love Venice. Stay tuned for more good stuff.